Every computer chip begins inside one of the cleanest and most advanced factories on Earth.
Ultra-pure silicon is transformed into perfect crystal ingots, forming the foundation of every modern processor. Each crystal is sliced into microscopic wafers that will carry billions of electronic circuits.
Using advanced photolithography, microscopic transistor patterns are printed with extraordinary precision. Dozens of precision processes gradually build billions of microscopic transistors onto every chip. Every wafer is carefully inspected because even a single microscopic defect can affect performance.
After testing, each processor is separated, packaged, and prepared for the devices we use every day. After testing, each processor is separated, packaged, and prepared for the devices we use every day.